Nick from Wilkins. We've got this 2020 Road Glide CVO. We're doing a 131 kit in. We're going to do a base run. All right, looks like we got 87 horse and 113 in fourth gear, and 91 horse and 114 in fifth gear. All right, we're gonna go over some parts for this 131 kit. Comes with Screaming Eagle CNC ported heads, a fan for your oil cooler, high compression pistons to match your cylinders. Comes with a 64 millimeter throttle body, bigger injectors, 517 Screaming Eagle cam with the matching Screaming Eagle lifters. All right, we're going to show you the difference between the stock 117 and the 131. You have 235 thousandths difference. It's about a 1/4 inch difference. So here's the stock 55 millimeter throttle body, and we're going to put on a 64 millimeter. Here we have the CNC ported heads, which has 1 millimeter larger valves for more flow. More flow means more power. All right, we just got done tuning this 131. We ended up with 121 horse and 135 foot-pounds of torque. That's a gain of 30 horse and 21 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 38% increase in power and a 19% increase in torque.